Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here's another video. It's a 2007 Volvo S40. My aunt was having problems opening her trunk. I found these three wires in the trunk wiring harness basically broken, so I had to fix them. The cause was basically opening and closing the lid, trunk lid, and I was not getting. I literally had to climb into the trunk from the back seat and take the bolts out for the latch to get the trunk open. And now you see me here basically extending the wire so it won't happen again. And I connected everything back here, uh, soldered it. You don't see me soldering here because I forgot to film that part. I apologize. So after we put all the wires together, the key fob battery was still not working, so I had to replace the battery in there. And now everything is working fine. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it.